Yeah. I'm another year older now. But at least my sister got me something nice for my birthday. A nice little MG coupe. Okay, not a real one, but at least this beautiful diecast car. And now, let's take a look. Nice cover art. Not hand painted, but computer animated. Well, still not bad. In front, nice detail in the grille. On the back, nice detail on the car. And now let's open it. It's a very nice one. Tinted windshield, no steering wheel. Detailed grille. License plate in the back. Everything you need. It's a real beauty, isn't it? Nice red paint. And unlike the original one, not even a tiniest spot of rust. Yeah, nice one. 1971 MGB GT Coupe Matchbox. Yeah, a beautiful little car. Smooth rolling. Gorgeousness. Yeah, beautiful, right? Yeah, a real beauty.